What the fuck? John, what'd you put in here? What the fuck did you put in here?
Oh no! Was she scared of her?
Oh, that's brutal.
Bro! I can just get me out of this thing. I fucking stink!